Auzen Embroidery Machine Factory. We are a professional embroidery machine manufacturer. We focus on high-quality embroidery machine and the best service to all your customers. The main focus of our company is single-head embroidery machine, two-head embroidery machine, three-head embroidery machine, four-head embroidery machine, six-head embroidery machine, eight-head embroidery machine. All machines support T-shirt cap flat embroidery. Our company has powerful technology ability, strict quality management, complete working facilities, excellent manufacturing craftsmanship, advanced detective methods, excellent product quality, fine environment and perfect after-sales services. We recruit dealers to sell machines all over the world. Welcome to join Auzen. We warmly welcome the visit and negotiation of friends from all over the world.